flower. This is my flower. This is your flower. This is my flower. 1, 2, 3, vision. Hey friends. So today we're making a video. So today we're making an experiment. This is for my teacher. It's an experiment for. It's an experiment for making flowers. Right, exactly. That was what it was. We're gonna learn about. I don't know. Oh, yes, that's it. This was the ingredient. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so I'm gonna close my eyes. The one that's on the left, I get to choose. This, I got the blue one. Okay, let's get back to the experiment. Okay, so first ingredient. So for flower, it died anyways. We have two colors, red and blue, but I already chose blue. We have 3 cups. We have this to cut this asparagus. We have to cut this on this. Got the knife. Oh! So we're gonna cut it right like this. Mommy, help me! Don't use a knife. Let your mom help you. Okay. So satisfying. Wow. So throw this away. Bye-bye. Right, let's choose 2 beautiful flowers. This one, I will choose these 2. Okay, we're gonna put this one and this one. We're gonna put. Why did you die on me? This one in here. Right, there we go. And now we add some water in it. It's gonna be great. Now the other one. Let's just make it fast. What? There we go. Inside. Yeah. Blue. Let's do just a little. Little tiny bit, like 2 drops. Let's do a little tiny bit. Just 2 drops. Whoa! I'm gonna open this one. Yay! Mama. Yes. She's like, you're not the scientist, here I am. Right? That looks like blood. No, enough. We will make blue and red flower. It's gonna be rainbow. No. Also? No. So we're gonna leave it here for 24 hours. We're gonna go wash your hand. See you in 24 hours. Oh, wait. So look at, you need to wear gloves because it's not going away. It's seriously not going away. It took me 5 minutes to wash my hand. And look at this. You can also make a yummy soup with this. But I don't like soup. I'm out.
24 hours later.
24 hours. It's time! How did this happen? It smells so bad. This is blue. This is very good blue. Okay, give the good kiss. Look at the pink one. I thought this one would turn purple. I thought this one would turn purple. Can I this one? Oh, can I see the bottom? Yeah. Whoa. Can I grape? Wow. This is not a grape tree. Let's see the down part. It's not doing so good. It's not good. But I like it. This is a C. This is a D. Let's see this one. What's your hand here? An F. What's your hand here? What's your hand here? This one. Which one do you think? Comments down below. If I know, since you are a guy, you would like the dark blue. Since you're a girl, you like the pink. But me, I love the light blue, so we'll go to the light blue. This is my flower. This is my flower. This is your flower. This is my flower. Bye, school. I hope I never do this again. I miss you really much. Coronavirus should go so we can go to school again and have fun. This time, let's party. Yeah. Yeah. What? What? Party.